Even if it is still a little cool outside, spring is officially here.
It is. So we are going to check in with one of our friends we love to talk with, 20-year home improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery, because Kathryn always has the best projects to help refresh our homes when it comes to spring. Kathryn, hello, good morning to you. Where do we begin when it comes to our home improvement projects for the year?
Well, ladies, happy spring. All right, we're all cleaning like crazy, right? But what we should really think about is how clean is our air. So we all know we're supposed to change that HVAC filter every 3 to 6 months. I am so excited to introduce you to, this is K&N. They have now gotten into the home air filtration space. This is a washable and reusable air filter. It's going to last you 10 years. You heard me correctly. So just look at how satisfying this is. You simply rinse off the air filter when it gets dirty, shake off that excess water, pop it back in the HVAC unit. Susan and Taylor, by the time the segment's done, we could have cleaned that filter. I love how sturdy and efficient it is. The frame, the mesh. The bonus is it provides superior airflow to those disposable filters, 70% better. All that dust, all that pollen, bacteria, pet dander. Look at how durable this is. So you probably know the name K&N. They've been in the automotive filtrations for 50 years. Thank goodness they're in the home space now. Isn't this so smart?
That is great.
And think of how much money you'll save, right? I feel like I spend so much replacing those things all the time. Okay, wow.
That's
100%.
A great idea.
And the convenience, right?
Exactly.
All right, so what do you have for us to help bring dull surfaces back to life?
I mean, it's spring. We want to do our projects, right? Our cabinets, our countertops, our vanities. You're going to be able to do it with a paint. You heard me correctly. So this is beyond paint. This is a water-based project paint. Here is why it is so easy to use, because guess what? No stripping, sanding, or priming required. It's easy to apply because it's formulated to bond to most surfaces, because that paint is all a bonder, primer, and sealer all in one. Look at that. Outdoor projects, indoor projects. You can go into a Lowe's, go to Lowe's.com. You can see it for yourself. So just think about the thousands of dollars you can save on a home renovation project like your cabinets for around $150 for a couple cans of paint. Incredible, right?
Oh my goodness, that is a great idea.
It is. All right, Kathryn, so we've covered the inside of the home. Let's head outside. We hear that you found something really neat for our yards, maybe to help prevent weeds.
Absolutely. No one wants to think about weeds. You want to get it done quickly and effectively. So Spectracide One Shot is the answer, because it is so easy to apply. You're not having to get down there on your hands and knees, pick all those weeds. In one application, it's going to kill those weeds. It's also going to prevent those weeds from coming back for up to 5 months. This is superior to any competition out there. I'm so happy that I get visible results in the same day. I don't know about you ladies, but I love that instant gratification. It just kills those roots super fast. It's rainproof in an hour. Your walkway, your driveway, your patio are all weed free, right? And it lasts the season.
Yeah, very fast. So, okay, speaking of our yards and everything, we really want to start doing some fun things in the yard. What about, how can we enhance and update our backyard?
All right, please build that dream deck you've always wanted to, but don't use wood. Go composite, because it is just so much easier to maintain. So Trex, they're the inventors and leaders in composite decking. Their next generation decking, it's called Trex Transcend Lineage. Susan Taylor, we're transcending ourselves to this deck right now. Look at how beautiful it is, number one. So it's got that real natural wood look, 5 colors inspired by nature. Guess what? Those boards are designed to reflect the sun, so it keeps them cooler. It's also going to resist stains, scratches, and mold. Super easy to clean, soap and watered. You're feeling good, you're looking good. Guess what? You can feel good about buying it as well, because it's sustainably made from up to 95% recycled and reclaimed material. So Trex is just a company. They do great. They divert 1 billion pounds of landfill for this decking material, but it's so beautifully made. They put a 50-year warranty behind it, right? That speaks volumes to me right there. Just looks great too.
Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous.
What an oasis. How do we get like an outdoor set looking like that too, right? You know, man, I want one of those. Kathryn, great stuff that you've mentioned here today. Anywhere that our viewers can go to find all of these products?
They should please go to Be the Best Home, learn about all these amazing spring projects and more awesome home improvement tips.
Oh, wow. Kathryn, thanks so much for sharing them with us.
Always a pleasure.
Today on Studio 3.
So good to see you again. Yes, thank you.